Believe you me, what you're going to be witnessing in the next 15 odd minutes will really wake you up because this has never been done before. Just to give you a bit of a background, the year was 2013 and there was a young kid in a city called Pune who was doing his dentistry. And while doing that, in 2018, he said, I'm done with it. I don't want to continue doing dentistry. This is it. This was somebody else's dream, not mine. And he decides to quit his program at that time and focus on something that he loved, something that was his passion, and that was robotics. Incredibly, he did not enroll himself in a university like Harvard or any other such university that specializes in robotics or artificial intelligence. He went to YouTube, saw lots of videos, and self-taught himself to become the first man to make a company right here in India to produce a artificial intelligence-powered humanoid, which is right behind me. I'll get the gentleman on stage and he'll narrate the story as to how did he learn all of this himself, whether it was reading books, whether it was YouTube videos. But before that, let us just give you a glimpse of what is it that Mux Robotics, based in Pune, has created.
He's a little bit different. Like somebody that I gon' get bone. Give it, 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 give it. Like somebody that I gon' get bone. Give it, 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 give it. He's a little bit different. That I gon' get bone. Give it, 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 give it. Like somebody that I gon' get bone. The book is on the ground.
Oh, that is incredible. A big round of applause for Mux Robotics. And without further ado, I'm going to call the man behind all of this. As I mentioned, in 2013, he quit his dentistry course, but is still a certified doctor. Dr. Mukesh Bangar on stage, please. And as I mentioned, what's really incredible is that he self-taught himself to produce all of this. This is the first AI-powered robot that you've got here in India. Come over, come. Here's your mic, But before I speak to Mukesh, he gets ready, let us also show you the journey, something that I spoke about. How did it start? It started in 2020 in Pune. Here's a brief look at the journey of Mux Robotics.
Actually, first of all, thank you so much for having me here. And
Big round of applause for Mukesh. Come here, Mukesh. We'll be right next to the thing that you have created. First things first, tell us about that incredible journey. You know, most people go enroll themselves in top universities. All you did was watch YouTube videos, read some books, and you've reached thus far.
First of all, I would like to thank you, the India Today Group, having, sponsor us also. That's a big thing. And if ऐसे ही अगर बाकी मीडिया अगर प्रमोट करते तो आई थिंक वी विल बी द नेक्स्ट सुपर पावर इन दिस रोबोटिक्स एंड एआई.
It can be. अच्छा, आप ये बताना चाहते हैं, दिस डू यू हैव एनी कंपटीशन इन इंडिया, या आपका कंपटीशन सिर्फ यूएस और चाइना से है?
एज ऑफ नाउ देयर इज नो कंपटीशन इन इंडिया. यूएस से है और देन चाइना इज अ बिग प्लेयर फॉर अस, यू नो.
ओके, सो दिस इज कंप्लीटली अ मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट.
दिस इज द from the scratch we built this product. That's the thing.
Incredible. आप वो बताएं मुझे, what you were saying at the start. How did you, is it possible, because a lot of people may not believe it, that you saw YouTube videos और उससे आपने यहाँ तक पहुँचा, or did your background in dentistry help you?
Actually, as a child, motors used to open the watches and then radios to learn these things. But no, you know, the mom's dream was to be a doctor. Then I went into dentistry. And then in second year, there is a brain which is the mysterious organ. That I love into that. And then I started from the neural network and AI, then this.
Incredible. So someone who opened different tools is a modern day Eklavya, if I can say, self-taught to reach this far. But अच्छी बात है, आपने अपना भी ड्रीम पूरा किया, मदर का ड्रीम भी पूरा किया, डॉक्टर भी बन गए और ये भी बनाया. अच्छा, ये सवाल तो मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए, मुझे डर लग रहा है, this won't take my job in the future, will it? They may not need an anchor. Will you be able
It
to
creates
anchor?
the new jobs. जैसे कि रोबोट बनाने के लिए लोग लगते हैं और the every new technology come and this is the fear like job तो नहीं जाएंगे किसी के. But I think I have some stammering issue also.
No problem. Go ahead. Yeah. Huh. So you think this is going to produce jobs and not really? Yeah. Can you have a conversation ऐसे जब इसके साथ? Does it respond? Does it take what you're saying as feedback? How does it work?
Spacey is powered by the Fusion Max model, which is like ChatGPT but for robots, we can say. And it is trained in-house in like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
What can be the usage? I mean, there are a lot of people, regular people, and I'll talk to you about how it can be used at a much larger scale, at a national level, but at a domestic level, because you mass produce these things. So, what would be the cost to buy this? And if somebody does, how does it help in normal household setup?
Yeah, actually, there is 3 versions of this robot. That is the M1, and that is Pro, and the Prime. The Prime for the Mars mission we have, and the Pro is here, which is for the like industrial uses there, hotels, hospitalities, and
What would be the retail price for
retail.
it? If a hospital needs it or anybody?
The M1 started from the 8 lakh rupees, the start price of M1, and this Pro is start from the 30 lakh rupees.
Okay.
Yeah.
How does it help in a setup like that? जैसे आपने कहा, in a hospital या कुछ, what can be the different utilization?
It can carry the load up to the 200 kgs load on this, and this arm is a 7 DOF arm, which can pick and place the things and guide this thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us now at a national level, and I'm thinking, this is just a thought, आप बताएं ऐसा हो सकता है या नहीं. You know, can it be used for defense purposes? उसमें utility है. You know, we sometimes have so many soldiers manning the border. Is that a realistic possibility with this?
Yes, for defense also can be used, for the diffusing bombs, you can use this. In dangerous places, we can use this robot.
Okay, that's very interesting. Are you in touch with, let's say, DRDO? या
Yes, we are with discussion with them and having 2 robots to them.
If that was to happen, that would be path-breaking. Imagine how many
Yes,
lives it can save if you can have Spacio man the borders, and I think that is the future. How do you see the future of AI? You know, we've all grown up watching films on robots, right, which take over the, you know, Wall-E is one film that I remember. There are many, I'm sure you must have seen. You know, eventually it says we're headed to doomsday, robots will take over the planet. Is there any truth to that now that we're getting so close to producing AI-powered robots?
Actually, definitely it will going outside the Earth to the Mars and other things because they can sustain there. We are not sustained there. That is the, I think, the benefits of that.
Space missions.
Space missions.
But आपको कभी डर लगता है कि एक दिन this might control you rather than you controlling it? Because AI is advancing.
अभी तो मतलब कि एक there is a class 1, class 2 and class 3 robots. Class 3 robots can think, but this is not for the Earth. I can say that. Because it may be in direct direct competition with the Earth, us. That's why I think this is not for the Earth robots. That is for the planets only. So only class 1 robots and class 2 robots for the Earth that cannot think and plan. Because, yeah.
Tell us, have you received any interest from overseas? You know, one thing that India does very well, if you take a look at our space missions as well, we have managed to produce many things at 1/10th, 1/20th the cost. Is that something that you are doing? And have you seen any interest, bahar se, from overseas, people showing interest in your product?
Yes, definitely, because the cost यहाँ पे कमी रहेगी because as compared to US, but in comparison to China, this is not the China is much cheaper than this. But we are planning to have lesser and lesser cost. But in future, because of software, we have the software in we are stronger than China in software. So that is the plus point for us.
Okay, you're just getting started, and I'm sure, as the journey progresses.
Actually, it is my first speech on stage. That's why I'm.
Don't worry. Give him a round of applause. Yeah, he does this better than speaking. But as long as you keep producing robots that speak, the job is done. But thank you once again, Mukesh, for coming here, showing us what you're making, and making the entire country proud by producing something like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.